Alright, this is my double din install by Metra in a 1995 Ford Lightning. Gonna give you some more honest details about installing these kits in any 92 to 96 OBS F-150, possibly an F-250 or whatever. Alright, you pull this. This is what you're gonna be installing here. Sorry, let me get this situated. You got this little bracket piece here, and it's got a clip there, and the two orange clips that come with the kit go there. Now your ACS panel will not be modified. It goes in the exact same spot that it normally does. But when you go to cut your dash, you'll cut it flat here, and at a slight angle on this side. A slight angle, as you can see. It allows this clip to actually fit in correctly. And also right here is a metal tab with a little screw sticking out from the inside. You will have to remove that. And the kit, it shows a blank spot. It doesn't even show that clip or screw there. You have to remove that from the inside. It's like a 5/16, 9/32, somewhere in those areas. It's not a Phillips or a Star bit or anything like that. So, and also the other thing that no one seems to want to mention is there's a metal bracket right about an inch back here, and it goes about a 30-degree angle straight back. It's about an inch and a half wide right here inside. You have to unbolt it here and either bend it like I did. I bent mine as far back that way as I could so I can get this in. And this is a full in-depth stereo. It's not a DVD one, but it's the full, depth. Like it's a good 6 inches or so. That's the most honest thing. And also in the Metra kit, they don't mention is obviously which one goes on top. AC panel goes in first, then you slide in your stereo. Once you get everything moved, bolt it through the AC panel top here, AC panel bolt here. I actually lost my clip and my screw, that's why that one's not there. And then when you take this, let's see, 5701 Metra, and then you'll honestly just, it's a little hard to do this, put it on like that, hold on, and you'll have to take a little bit of force, push it in, and that's what it looks like. It does sit pretty flush. We're on the dash, and the other piece you will have to trim is this. Now, to help you out, there's a mounting tab in the dash right here. So go over about a 1/2 inch. And there you go. Somewhere, anywhere from over here where you can't see it's trimmed. And that's it, guys. I mean, it's pretty simple. It took probably about 35-40 minutes, taking my time. There you go, guys. Most honest review of a double din install.